5G phones will be available for most mainstream cell phone brands in 2020, including the Samsung Galaxy S20, Motorola Edge Plus, LG V60, OnePlus 8, Sony Xperia, and of course, the yet-to-be-released iPhone 12 and Google Pixel 5. Commercial 5G and near 5G networks have also been rolled out by carriers around the world, and consumers can expect 5G coverage in many major cities. 5G stands for fifth generation, and it is the new evolution of the mobile network. 1G delivered analog voice services in the 1980s. 2G introduced digital voice calls and text supported by flip phones. 3G enabled mobile data, apps, and made smartphones possible. 4G or LTE is the most common network today and offers even faster speeds than 3G. However, the evolution of the mobile network generations is not only about faster speeds. Let's look at the three main benefits of 5G. First is bandwidth. How much data can be downloaded or uploaded through your network connection? 4G networks can support up to 1 gigabit per second, while 5G promises 20 gigabit per second. Of course, realistic bandwidth will depend on a number of factors, such as how far away you are from the cell tower or how many devices are connected at the same time. A good rule of thumb is 5G could be up to 2 times to up to 10 times faster than 4G. Higher bandwidth means consumers can enjoy smooth and high-definition video and streaming. A YouTuber can not only stream their own content to the world, but have the world stream back. The second benefit of 5G is latency. Latency measures the delay between when the phone sends a signal out to the time the signal arrives at the cell tower. 4G latency is less than 10 milliseconds, while 5G will reduce latency to the sub-millisecond range. This is critical for gamers, where a few milliseconds could be victory or death. Moreover, 5G also reduces the overall end-to-end latency, which enables industry applications like smart driving and remote surgery. The third and final benefit of 5G is the number of devices connected. You may have more and more smart devices in your homes, and cities are increasingly filled with sensors, so the ability to support a large number of connected devices is critical. 4G can connect up to 100K devices per kilometer square, while 5G promises up to 1 million devices per kilometer squared. Imagine a world where your self-driving car is constantly exchanging information with other cars, streetlights, cyclists, fire hydrants, and nearby shops to find the most optimal route. This is made possible with 5G. 5G requires higher frequency radio waves compared to 4G to work. This range is also called millimeter wave and has frequencies in the range of 30 to 300 gigahertz. Put into the perspective of the electromagnetic spectrum, the millimeter waves fall into the microwave spectrum, right below infrared, which is 300 gigahertz to 1 terahertz. To get to the harmful radiation range, we need to go past the visible spectrum to UV light, X-rays, and gamma radiation, which is tens, hundreds, and thousands of terahertz. For consumers, using 5G is simple. You will need a 5G phone and a big, ideally unlimited data plan. Current 4G phones will not be compatible with 5G networks due to the new radios required. You should also understand the status of the 5G network coverage in your area, as most 5G coverage now is limited to cities and are near 5G deployments, so you may only get a small improvement in speed and latency. If you are a pioneer or an avid user looking for the extra performance, buy a 5G phone now. Otherwise, for most users, it's likely safe to wait until 2021, when more devices and coverage will be available. 5G is coming, and it will change how we use our phones and how we interact with the world. Are you ready?